Hey, this is Jimmy Beach with an exposure quick tip video from Alien Skin Software. This video highlights a few modifier keyboard shortcuts that make organizing images and exposure fast. Let's look at how exposure's modifier key shortcuts operate when organizing images. You can easily assign color labels, flags, and star ratings using the keyboard in exposure. Let's see this in action. I'll apply ratings to the images in this folder. The numbers 1 through 5 correlate to the star rating you assign the image. So the 5 key assigns a 5-star rating. With that assigned, I can use the right arrow key to move to the next shot, and then apply another rating, and so on. Combining these shortcuts with the modifier key Shift will perform the operation of the shortcut, and it will also automatically advance to the next photo in the folder you're working in. This reduces the amount of stops you have to take, which will speed you through organizing. In this case, it cuts your workflow in half. Let's try it again. This time I'll also hold the Shift key modifier, which applies the rating and automatically advances to the next image in the folder. As you can see, Exposure's keyboard modifier shortcuts are a great way to make your organizing workflow fast and efficient. The demonstration in this video was performed using Exposure's default keyboard shortcut layout. You can reset or modify your keyboard shortcuts in the Shortcuts tab of the Preferences panel. And that covers it for this quick tip video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorial videos on using Exposure. If you haven't used Exposure yet, visit our website to download the free trial.